Let's begin by unboxing. Remove the top section of the box first. Place the TV face down. Then, remove the bottom of the box. Now, let's install the wall mount bracket. Check that all these components are included. Prepare the guide sheet. Unfold the paper and place it on the wall in your desired location. You can see the size and outline of the TV. The provided hole at the center is the place where to install the bracket. Now, with wall mount bracket and anchor bolts, firmly fasten the wall mount bracket with the anchor bolts. Next, prepare the paper box. Make sure the bracket is facing forward. Fold the paper box and place it between the bracket and the wall. Next, follow the guidelines to attach the guide labels on both sides. And lastly, unlock the safety pin on both sides. Now, let's connect and arrange the cables. Use 2 cable holders to keep them untangled for no gap on the wall. Then, attach the guide labels onto the protruding bolts to help with precise TV positioning. Carefully move the TV to the wall mount set. Align the guide labels and place the TV on the wall. Remove the box with the safety pins in place. Then, remove the guide sheet. Lightly press forward on the top and bottom of the TV at the same time. When you hear the click sound, you're almost done. Finally, adjust the level of the TV. To hide the cables, use wall molding from your local retailer. Congratulations! The installation is now complete. What if you want to add more cables later? Tilt the TV onto the side carefully. While adding the cables, use 2 cable holders to keep them untangled. When you're done, tilt the TV back to make sure there's no gap.